There is still a lot of testimony ahead of us. We are joined again this week by Court TV's Julia Janae with her insight on this case. And Julia, let's start with the request from the shooter's mother to no longer redact messages between her and her husband. How will this impact what is presented in the case?
Now, this was a surprising move, but it is understandable that she was concerned that it may look like she was trying to hide evidence. So much of the communications in this case that Jennifer Crumbley had of her son, they can be a double-edged sword when it comes to the defense. It can either show things that they may want this jury to understand about her limited knowledge of what her son was going through leading up to the school shooting, but it may also show what she did know. And those communications between herself and her husband, that would bring to light a lot of things that this jury is likely very eager to know. So it's a surprising decision, but it may bode in her favor. Her attorney, no doubt, counseled her on what this would look like in front of those jurors.
Okay, and the counselor saying that the shooter needed immediate intervention. How challenging could that testimony be for the defense to overcome?
Yeah, Sean Hopkins is a huge witness for this prosecution because this is a person who would have communicated the issues to Jennifer Crumbley right before this shooting. The homework, the problematic drawings, and the comments that he wrote alerted a counselor to get his parents involved. So this prosecution is going to be arguing to this jury that if the counselor knew there was something wrong, then it fell to the parents to give the additional information that he had access to a firearm and perhaps search him for that firearm. So it goes to her knowledge, and that's something that the defense is trying to distance as much as possible. They don't want this jury to believe that she had actual knowledge of the danger that could have been brought forth by her son, and tragically we know that that did happen, but they are relying on the fact that hindsight is 20/20, but that there just wasn't enough foresight for her to know what the damage would be. Will it be successful? We will see, Brian.
We will keep watching. Court TV's Julia Janae, thank you again for joining us tonight.
Thank you.